Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Bosch dishwasher is finishing cycles but leaving the water at the bottom, this usually means that the drainage blockage or pump issues or drain system restriction is there. So in today's video, I will show you how you can properly fix the draining problem in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by manually removing the excess water from the bottom of the dishwasher. Then remove the lower rack and inspect the filter system. A blocked filter is one of the most common reasons why Bosch dishwashers fail to drain. So if drainage improves after cleaning, it means that internal blockage was likely the main cause. But if in your case the issue still persists, the second thing that you can check is the drain pump cover and impeller. So you need to simply locate the drain pump cover, remove it carefully and inspect for obstructions such as sheets or toothpicks or any kind of fragments. Just make sure that the impeller spins freely. If it is jammed, the dishwasher cannot pump water out efficiently. Now you can also inspect the drain hose and the sink connection. The external drainage restrictions are another most common causes. So you can check for kink hose or clogged skin drain or grease buildup. A partially blocked hose can slow or completely stop the water discharge. If a new garbage disposal was recently installed, the drain plug may still be sealed. So this completely blocks the dishwasher drainage. So removing the knockout plug often solves the immediate draining failures. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your dishwasher is now draining properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.